Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. All of my new subscribers, my name is Dominique, and here on Style Domination I mainly focus on hair care, but every now and then I do a styling video and some product reviews, which is exactly what I'm going to be doing today. And all of my returning subscribers, you guys know I love you. I am so very grateful that you're tuning back in. So today I wanted to review my latest designer handbag purchase, and that is my YSL Small Loulou bowling bag. It's gorgeous, and the reason I wanted to review it is because I truly feel it is the best designer handbag I have bought to date. So it ticked off all of those boxes, all of those desires that I wanted in the perfect designer handbag. So it's not too small and not too big. Despite it being a little on the smaller side, it fits so much within. I love the classic design. You've got the Y in the quilting here, and it's understated. I really love myself a designer handbag that complements what you're wearing and doesn't overpower it. There are some designer handbags with the logo all over it that are really nice, but this is more my speed. So I bought this bag I believe in March, and I bought it pre-loved from one of my favorite online designer consignment stores, Fashion File. And I loved it because I would see this bag on actually other influencers and it was perfect. So why do I love this handbag so much? It is made of calfskin leather, but it feels really, really soft. I love lambskin, which is a very soft yet delicate leather, and it scratches up a lot, whereas this bag does not. It's a tough little guy. I wear it with everything. I usually have long nails and I'll scratch up my bag doing whatever, but this has really worn very well. The silhouette is also beautiful. It's a very structured, rectangular bag. Therefore, I feel it looks a little bit ladylike. I feel structured bags stand the test of time, and I don't see myself getting sick of this bag very quickly. It's elegant, yet it also has a bit of edge, which is very YSL. That silver chain detail, it's almost like an antiqued silver. So here's an up-close shot of the bag. I don't know if you can pick up on that antiqued silver detail, but trust me on this one, it's not overly shiny. It purposely looks a tad tarnished, and I think that's what gives this bag its edge. Like I mentioned, this bag is quite understated. It doesn't overpower any of my outfits. I love that the only way that you can tell that this is a YSL bag is by the little logo on the front. I think that's pretty novel too. I don't see too many designer bags that are square or rectangular in shape with the logo on the side as opposed to, you know, emblazoned on the side where the eye is drawn. Die-hard YSL lovers will know that this is a YSL bag from seeing it from the side because you've got that typical YSL detail quilted into the leather. So, getting in and out of this bag, it's got a top zipper and it actually is not annoying to close. It opens and closes very, very well and very, very easily. I would say that the only drawback of this bag is that it's a little annoying to get in and out of. You sort of have to pry it open. Despite having to pry it open like that, the bag does not lose its shape. Since leather is sort of a malleable material, if you keep doing that over time, I'm assuming that you will bow the leather at the top. So I baby it. I try not to stretch it out too much. So as I mentioned before, this bag is super practical and versatile. I feel that I can wear this bag with my dressier outfits. I can wear this bag also with my casual outfits. Since it's got a bit of an edge, I really actually love this look with an elevated casual look. Keep your eyes on the video. I'm going to style up some outfits with this bag. You'll see them at the end. So I just wanted to give you guys an idea of how you can wear this bag, what it looks great with. Okay, so what can you fit in this bag? I feel that it's quite roomy. I have a pretty fat Louis Vuitton French purse, and you know, it's wide but doesn't eat up too much of the bag. I've got a makeup brush in a little container. I hate that. I don't understand how people can just throw dirty makeup brushes into their designer handbags. It like hurts my heart. I've got my phone, and this is an iPhone 8 Plus, just to give you an idea. That's how big it is here. I've got a compact, hair clip, a Louis Vuitton business card holder. Guys, check out my new business cards. I just love these. I got them from a brand called moo.com, and they make trading card-like business cards. They did a fantastic job. I'm super happy with these. A MAC lipstick, and a pair of designer sunglasses. Sometimes I just throw the sunglasses into my bag. It does have an inner pocket. I will show you guys. I find sometimes that these sunglass cases just eat up so much room in your bag. So yeah, these are little Dior sunglasses that I got off the Trend Savvy website. Great price, guys. You should check it out. I got these sunglasses for $189. So here is the interior of the bag. I'm trying not to stretch it out too much. So you have a zipped pocket on the side. Can you see that there? And a little like pocket, a leather trim pocket on the inside. That's where I tuck in the sunglasses, usually. There, I don't know if you can see that. Okay guys, I just wanted to give you an idea of how this bag looks with an outfit. As you can see, this bag is quite structured. It is a true little rectangle, and I feel it gives any outfit an edge, but that being said, it looks just as great with elevated formal outfits as it does with more casual outfits. As my personal style is more casual, this is a typical Dominique outfit. I will show you how I style up this bag. What I love best about this bag is it doesn't overwhelm your outfit. As it's not, you know, a logo emblazoned bag, the eye is not immediately drawn to the bag, but the bag is damn nice. People do notice. All right, let me show you outfit number one. So I live in Ottawa, Canada, which is the nation's capital, and it's already chilly here. So it's mid-October. The weather outside right now is about 10 degrees Celsius. So I have been rocking my oversized leather moto jacket. I got this from the Trend Savvy site, trendsavvy.com, and I like this look because it's like a edgy, elevated, casual look. So I feel that the bag complements this whole outfit really well. I wore a cognac leather belt to break up the outfit a bit and make it look even more casual. So yeah. So this is a typical outfit that I would wear this bag with. Okay, so I thought I would do a little close-up detail shot of this bag. Here it is. It sits right on my hip. I am 5'8", and I feel the chain strap is just the right length for me. You see what I mean? The bag does not overwhelm the outfit. It just complements it beautifully. And for those of you who are afraid of chain straps, Saint Laurent has put a little leather at the top of the strap so that it does not cut into your shoulder. So I told you guys this bag is versatile. I shortened the strap a bit so that it's sitting above my hip. I think this is a cute little look, and it's a different way to wear the bag. Yeah, this is more ladylike. I feel that the shorter length just makes it a little bit more formal, a little bit more ladylike. Yeah, it's cute. I'll show you guys how I did that. Okay, here's a second look that I love this bag with. This is a cognac colored coat that I bought last fall from Zara. It comes with a belt, but sadly it fell off, typical Zara. And I love this coat with this bag. I have a mixture of textures. The color builds on the cognac belt. I love the basic black outfit with the complementary bag. So this is my last look, the Mighty Puffy Coat. I feel like this bag is truly versatile. It looks good with any sort of outerwear. This is a shiny Invicta puffy coat that I got from the Trend Savvy website. incredibly warm. It's faux down also, so it's eco-friendly, eco-conscious. Like I mentioned, I love how this bag does not detract from the coat. The coat is the main focus of this outfit. So yeah, it's freezing here in Ottawa. It is not too early to be wearing a heavier coat, but I just wanted to show you guys how you can wear this bag with a multitude of outerwear. Okay, so that wraps up my review on the YSL Loulou bowling bag. If you're looking for the perfect little black bag, it is for you. It's roomy. It holds a ton, yet doesn't overwhelm an outfit. The price was right, you name it. I will put the link in the description to this bag if you wanted to check it out. If you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love that. And check out my Instagram. I'm at dominique.baker. My blog is styledomination.com. I love having you guys follow me and write to me. I cherish every one of your notes. I will leave it at that, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.